Guys, in this video, we're gonna be showing you a 5-minute scalping strategy that has a very high win rate. We learn how to use this strategy and get multiple trading opportunities every single day to increase your profitability up to 30% per day. So after the intro, you will learn the strategy. Thank you for staying for the video. Please do well to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, as this helps YouTube algorithm to recommend our video to other people to help them learn how to make money trading. In order to use this strategy effectively, you need to add an indicator to your charts. The indicator you be adding is the moving average. Set your period on period 23, shift, 0 method, exponential, apply to median price. Then click Done. So this is the moving average on my chart. Add another moving average, this time set period 10. Shift, 0 method, exponential, apply to median price, click Done. Something needs to be corrected. Make sure you correct the color so that you can be able to differentiate both indicators. So for the 10 moving average, use red as your color. So now that you have the moving average in your chart, this is what we should look out for. We look out for areas where the moving average has crossed. Either the red moving average crossed above the blue moving average like this, or the blue moving average crossed above the red moving average like this. These areas where the intersection took place are areas where we look for buy or sell opportunities. I'm gonna be showing you how to find these opportunities and get a very good entry using this strategy. So we're gonna be back testing this strategy right here, taking around 7 to 8 different trades to see how profiting it's gonna be. The result will be recorded in the screen so that we can see whether the strategy is gonna end up making us profit or it's gonna end up in loss. So do well to watch this video to the end so that you will know whether the strategy is gonna end up making you a millionaire in a very short period of time. So considering this intersection right here, the red moving average crossed above the blue moving average. So we take a buy from here, targeting a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. We have a 2% plus on this trade. The next intersection happened here, blue moving average above the red moving average. So we got the intersection around here. Our stop loss is gonna be above the bending of the red moving average, and then we'll target a 1 to 2 risk to reward to the downside. We got a 2% profit again right here. So that gives us 4% profit. At this point, this is another opportunity for us. I'm going to show you how you can trade this. What you should do anytime you see a setup like this. Especially when the direction is already confirmed that it's gonna sell, because the blue moving average is above the red moving average. So once you see the candles go above or in between the moving averages, without the moving average crossing each other, just wait for a candle to close again. Just like this red candle right here. The moment the red candle closed below the moving average, you go short, putting your stop loss above this high, and then you target a 1 to 2 again. So this also gave us another opportunity. After the close of this red candle, you sell to the downside. So these trades has given us plus 8%. So price pushed to the upside. And then an intersection happened around here. Red moving average crossed above blue moving average, giving us a buy setup. Taking a buy here, stop loss here. Price pushed up, not up to target, but then came back down to hit stop loss. So this time around, blue moving average is above red moving average. Then price pushed down and then gave us this opportunity. Again right here. This red candle closed below the moving average. Then we'll have our stop loss above. Right here. Then price moved all the way to the downside, giving us a 1 to 2 risk to reward. We're now up with 10% profit and minus 1% loss. An intersection happened right here again. The red moving average crossed above the blue moving average. So at this point, the buy is gonna be taken from this side buy here. Stop loss below this area. And then we'll target 1 to 2. And this gives us plus 2% again. That is already giving us 12% in profit. So as at this point, right here, the blue moving average crossed above the sell setup right here. Stop loss above this high, targeting a 1 to 2. So this is already a 14% profit and a -1% drawdown. So this is clear that this strategy is very profiting. But the advice for you is backtest the strategy before you use it. Once you see a strategy has above 50% win rate, it shows that the strategy is profitable, especially when its risk to reward is 1 to 2 or higher than 1 to 2. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. If you find this video very helpful, make sure to share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video.